Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing subordinating conjunctions. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Let's see unlike first. It means different from or not similar to. Let's see first example. Jake is completely unlike his father. Here unlike means different from. Jake is completely different from his father. That is the meaning. Did you meet someone unlike us, so different from us? That is the meaning. He is quite unlike him in everything. Different from him in everything. Unlike yours, my maid accepts her place. Her words appeared genuine, unlike Joseph's. So, unlike means different from Joseph's. Unlike pigs, they never appear to produce more than 2 young ones at a birth. Next is since. It shows point of time or reason. So both ways are different. First, this car has been in my house since my childhood. So perfect point of time. Point of time is given since my childhood. So my childhood, that is point of time. That's why here since is mentioned. Next, Shubham has been underwater since 8 o'clock. So perfect point of time. That's why since. Since Andrew's father was ill, he did not go to his office. So here reason is mentioned. That's why since is used as reason. He has been blind since his birth. Point of time is given. That's why since is mentioned. He hasn't ridden a bike since he was a child. Perfect time is mentioned. Child. So since he was a child. So that's why here since is given. I haven't even seen him since the funeral. Exact time is mentioned. That's why point of time and here since is mentioned for that. Since they were all dressed up, she assumed they were going to church together. So here in the sense of reason, since is given. Since everyone knew the way to a man's heart was through his stomach, she started with a special dish. So here since is given as reason. Let's do exercise. Use unlike or since. 4 sentences are given and you have to choose which one is appropriate. Your time starts now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, unlike the nightmares, this time it was real. So different from, that is the meaning. That's why unlike is proper. She was very unlike the women of her society. Different from, that's why unlike. I haven't talked to him since last night. So exact time is mentioned. Last night. That's why since is appropriate answer. Last one. It seems like years since I saw you last. Hope you learned a lot from this session. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep subscribing. Bye for now.